Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a video black or white on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the projects, quick recordings, AI speakers and templates, and the workspace. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have your profile, settings, and the new project button, as you can see there. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and make a video black or white on Descript. So, first of all, launch the Descript and open, of course, the one video that you want to edit. So go to a new project and create one. Then click on the video layer in the timeline to select it. In the right sidebar, click on the layer and effects. And then click on the color adjustments effects and adjust the saturation slider to -100 to remove all colors efficiently, making the video black and white. Then you can further adjust the exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows to get the desired look for your black and white video. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.